Today, we are going to talk about another powerful idea from the book Deep Work that can completely improve your focus and productivity.
I have heard about this book before, but I never clearly understood what deep work actually means in real life.
Deep work means focusing on one important task without any distraction for a long period of time.
That sounds difficult because we get distracted very easily by phones, notifications, and social media apps.
Exactly, and that is the biggest problem in today's world where attention is always divided. So make sure you watch this conversation till the end, and if you find it helpful, like the video and write your honest thoughts in the comments.
So deep work is basically working with full focus without any distraction at all.
Yes, and this kind of focused work helps you learn faster and produce better results.
I think most people do shallow work instead of deep work in their daily routine.
Absolutely. Shallow work means doing easy tasks without much thinking or concentration.
Like checking emails, scrolling social media, or doing random small tasks all day.
Yes, those tasks keep you busy, but they do not help you grow or improve your skills.
That means deep work is more valuable than being busy all the time.
Exactly. Being busy does not mean you are being productive or improving. Let me ask everyone watching this video, do you get distracted easily while studying or working? Comment yes or no.
I get distracted very easily, especially when I see my phone near me.
That is very common, and that is why deep work is becoming rare and valuable.
So if we learn deep work, we can improve faster than others.
Yes, deep work gives you a big advantage in learning English and any other skill.
That makes this concept very important for students and learners.
If you are learning something useful here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning conversations.
So, what is the first step to start deep work in daily life?
The first step is to remove distractions and create a focused environment.
That means keeping phone away and working in a quiet place.
Exactly. Environment plays a very important role in focus and productivity. Now let's move deeper into this concept in the
last
next
part. We learned what deep work is, and now we will understand why focus is so important.
Yes, I want to know why focus matters so much in learning and working.
When you focus deeply, your brain works at a higher level and learns faster.
That means we can learn English faster if we practice with full concentration.
Exactly. Focused practice gives better results than distracted long hours of study.
I think many people sit for hours but still don't learn much.
Yes, because their mind is not fully focused on the task they're doing.
That is very true in my case also sometimes.
Deep work helps you understand things deeply instead of just memorizing them.
That means better understanding and better retention of information.
Exactly. Deep understanding helps you use English naturally in real conversations.
That is what most learners want to achieve.
Let me ask everyone, when you study English, do you focus fully or get distracted easily? Comment focus or distracted.
I think most people will say distracted, honestly.
Yes, and that is why progress becomes slow and frustrating.
So what should we do to improve focus?
Start with small focused sessions like 20 to 30 minutes without distraction.
That feels more manageable than long hours of study.
Yes, short deep work sessions are better than long distracted sessions.
That is a very practical tip for daily routine.
If this is helping you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical learning content.
So focus is like a muscle that improves with practice.
Exactly. The more you practice focus, the stronger it becomes over time. Now, let's learn how to actually build deep work habits.
Now we will learn how to build deep work habits step by step in a simple and practical way.
Yes, this is the most important part because we need to apply it in real life.
The first step is to schedule your deep work time every day clearly.
That means deciding a fixed time for focused work daily.
Yes, when you schedule it, you are more likely to follow it seriously.
That creates discipline in daily routine,
The second step is to remove all distractions before starting your work.
like switching off notifications and keeping phone away from your desk.
Exactly. Fewer distractions mean better focus and better results.
That is very practical and easy to follow,
The third step is to set a clear goal for your deep work session.
like practicing English speaking for 20 minutes without interruption.
Yes, clear goals give direction and purpose to your work.
That helps in staying focused for a longer time.
The fourth step is to take breaks after deep work sessions.
That helps the brain relax and recharge for the next session.
Exactly. Balance between work and rest is very important. Let me ask everyone, how many minutes can you focus without distraction? Comment your answer honestly.
I think I can focus for around 15 to 20 minutes right now.
That is a good start, and you can improve it gradually.
This feels achievable and motivating.
If you are learning something valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe.
So deep work is like training your brain to focus better.
Yes, and over time, it becomes easier and more natural. Now, let's move to the final part and understand the long-term
Now we will
benefits.
talk about the long-term benefits of deep work and why it can change your life.
Yes, I want to know how this helps in real success and growth.
Deep work helps you learn faster, think clearly, and produce high-quality results.
That means better performance in studies, job, and communication skills.
Yes, especially in English learning, deep work helps you become fluent faster.
That is what every learner wants to achieve.
Deep work also improves confidence because you understand things deeply.
That makes speaking English easier and more natural.
Exactly. Understanding creates confidence in real conversations. Let's practice some powerful sentences together.
Okay, I am ready to practice now.
I focus deeply on my work every single day without distraction.
I focus deeply on my work every single day without distraction.
I improve my English with full concentration and daily practice.
I improve my English with full concentration and daily practice.
I am becoming more focused, confident, and disciplined every day.
I am becoming more focused, confident, and disciplined every day.
Very good. Keep repeating these sentences to build strong mindset.
This feels very powerful and motivating.
Let me ask one final question to everyone watching this video. What is one distraction you will remove from today to improve your focus? Comment your answer below and be honest with yourself.
And also tell us your biggest challenge in staying focused daily.
Start small, stay consistent, and practice deep work every day. Like, share, and subscribe for more powerful learning conversations.